I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. Setting up your payout method on eBay can seem tricky, but it is pretty straightforward once you know the steps. Step 1. Log into your eBay account. Start by logging into your eBay account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access various settings. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select account settings to access your account management options. Step 3. Go to payment options. In the account settings menu, look for the payment section. Click on it to view your current payment methods and options for payouts. Step 4. Add a payout method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your payout information, review the details for accuracy. Once everything looks good, click the Save button to confirm your changes. Make sure to check for any error messages that might pop up if the information isn't correct. Now you're all set. Following these steps will help you set up your payout method on eBay without any hassle. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to eBay support for assistance. Happy selling!